Welcome back, everybody. Today's the day of Operation Rolling Thunder. That's right, it's where we guys, Volkswagen guys, get together to check out the motorcycle ride known as Rolling Thunder, where the motorcycle riders are taking an enormous, a lot of bikes. In fact, you guys can count them today in today's video and post them down below in the video comments to remember our fallen veterans for Memorial Day. And it's an important holiday for a lot of people. It really, really is. And you gotta have respect for the people that gave their lives for the rest of us. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna continue on our ride. I got Crash with me, of course. And we'll meet up with the Volkswagen guys in just a little bit over here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the dingle belly, and we'll be back right after the intro. What you doing, Crash? Good baby. We'll get you some hot dogs.
Where's my little niece at?
In the car.
What's that? Hot dogs. I'm saving the juice for you, dude.
All right, put it in a glass with some water.
Yes, sir. Ice in it.
That's it.
Nice hot dog juice.
No worries, go ahead.
What's that? We take.
What about them?
We boil the crap out of these beef hot dogs.
Yeah?
Nathan beef hot dogs. Put them in a bun and seal it back up and let them sit there. And the I'm hearing the hot dog steams the bun.
So all the steaming takes from down. All right.
Don't let anybody know that.
Roadside hot dogs. Get your Wild Bill's Roadside hot dog.
Yeah, right here. Right here. I got your hot dog right here. Right here. No, it's not. Get soda's water there.
That's
What's up,
obnoxious.
Duckman?
What's up?
How's it going there, Duckman?
It's going good, Declan Dong. I'm honking at you because you're looking so cute over here.
Say hi, Winston. Is this gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah.
If he starts making me money, then.
Oh, wow. That's when you start your own YouTube.
Yeah.
I agree.
Those are mine.
I'm preparing them. This is all top secret. The top secret roadside lab.
Hot dog lab.
It's like a meth lab, except hot dogs.
So hot dogs?
Yeah.
We're doing it in a bus instead of an RV?
Crack cocaine inside the hot dogs and everybody loves
Oh,
it.
they're crack dogs.
Yeah, look, this Volkswagen.
Yeah, slow down. What are you doing with all that horsepower?
Yeah, 0 to 60 in 10 minutes.
Or as I said,
What?
what was it? Oh, how did I label it? It was in one of my videos. It's a parody of the Gone in 60 Seconds.
Oh.
Almost gone to 60, comma, seconds later broken or something like that.
Yeah.
I just looked at it this morning, but I can't remember what it was.
Picture on the side of the road.
But the comma is what told the story. It separated the 60 from the seconds.
Nathan, all beef, bun length, hot dogs.
That's the way she likes them.
That's it.
Those are properly bun length. They're even longer than that. That way you don't get that all bun bite on the first bite. That's awful.
Right.
Nobody likes that.
That's what she said.
Hey, you're a pretty good hot dog handler.
Hey.
You look like you've done this before.
Come here, I got tongs.
You can go to the beach this weekend if you
I
want.
got tongs and rubber gloves, buddy. I can handle dogs.
I bet you can.
Hey!
What you need is a special rubber glove for the hot dog.
Hey, yeah, right.
There it is.
Yeah. Condom. I got a condom right there. Don't be laughing at my jokes. You're too young and
Macadamia.
innocent to be laughing at my baby joke.
Oh, she's young, but she ain't innocent. Macadamians, these are my favorite.
Put some meth ketchup on.
Put some meth and ketchup on it?
Yeah, meth and ketchup. Meth.
Meth and ketchupines.
Oh man, how did I miss that?
I don't know what you guys have had, but I need some.
Hot dogs.
Is that
It'll-
it?
I didn't even have a drink before I left
We
for a
took a
change
drug
room.
test. Would you pass?
No.
No,
No, I wouldn't.
I didn't study for it.
I had a space cake 2 nights ago, which messed me up for about 24 hours.
I'm still feeling the after effects.
You know what? Slow down.
Hauling ass out of here.
Yeah. They're to 60 in 4 seconds.
I'm gonna go see the baby. I brought you a cookie, the macadamias. Want it? You don't want it, huh? No? You want some hot dog meat? No problem.
motorcycles.
It was.
That was great. I love coming out here for this every year.
I counted about 4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
4,000?
No, just 4.
I wonder if anybody, I wonder if they do a count up there at the, when they start out.
I don't know, but I got one right here in the camera.
Yeah? A count?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you let me know how many there was.
That's it.
Alright.
So for those of you that are watching this video, let us know how many you saw.
Yeah,
and
count
post
them
it down below in the video comments.
I have an app.
An app for it? A motorcycle counting app?
Yes.
Well, I imagine it might be. You just keep hitting the button on your phone or something?
No. Ignite it when you turn the film on.
Well, there we go. We have exiting. Well, that was a whole lot of fun. Thanks everybody for watching. It might have been one of our bigger turnouts for Operation Rolling Thunder. Crash, what'd you think? You have a good time eating up hot dogs? Thanks as always to everyone watching, everyone that like, comment, and subscribe, and a special big thanks to our veterans, and extra big thanks to our fallen veterans that gave their lives to protect the rest of us. This country just, yeah, I don't need to get into the politics of it, but this country wouldn't be anything what it was if it wasn't for anybody that didn't fight for it. It wouldn't. And that's as far as I'm going to get into the political message on that, because anything deeper than that, I think somebody will jump on me and say something stupid. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time.